Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this I will show you how to calculate how much you're going to make or lose using your FundedNext calculator. So in case if you are new to FundedNext, the link to sign up with FundedNext is in the description of this particular video. If you sign up, use my coupon code JC3, so you get a 120 reward bonus anytime making your withdrawal. So this is how the FundedNext website looks like. Very clean. So if you come here, click at this menu here. After click on it, then go to FundedNext calculator. If you go there, then this is how FundedNext calculator looks like. We have the margin calculator, profit and loss calculator, loss size calculator, then the swap calculator, and then the profit and loss calculator. But now we are going for profit and loss calculator because I want to calculate how much I'm going to make or lose at a particular point with FundedNext. So I'm going to be making use of my demo account. That is my GVVJPY. So I'll be executing this with GVVJPY. So first of all, let's touch the screen, go to object and add the object, the place we want to enter the trade. I want to enter this trade here. Then touch the screen and then get the horizontal line and drop it the place where you want to exit the trade at loss. That's your stop loss. This is where I want it to be. Now for take profits, touch the MT5, get this horizontal line and place it at the place where you want your take profits to be. Are you guys with me? Now next thing is let me get my arrow line. Do you understand? Let me teach you how to calculate your pips. Do you understand? Although it's not why we are here, but let's just do it. Now get your arrow line, draw it from the point of entry to the point of exit. You understand? Now if you look at, you see this 43.8 at the above here. That 43 is the pips, while 8 is the pipette. So we have 43 pips and 8 pipettes. But that's not why we are here, Sham. Now let's go to the main reason why we are here. Now I want to map out. Let's go and fill the form first. Then if you come here, you see the instrument you are trading. So for the instrument, you are trading GPP, JPY. Do you understand? That's what you have in the screen. Let me write it very well. Great Britain, pounds, JPY. So that's it, guys. Now, once you type the instrument, the next thing is the trading type. Are you going for a buy or are you going for a sell? So I'm actually going for a buy for this particular asset. Now, the next thing is entry price. What should be our entry price, guys? Now, take a look. That place I kept this first arrow line. That's the place I want to enter the trade. Then touch it and then get to the pencil icon and then copy the points. Are you with me? If you copy the points, then highlight it and copy it. Then go back to the website and then paste it there as the entry price, because if market gets there, that's where I'm going to execute my buy position. If you paste it, now the next thing is the exit price. This exit price can be your stop loss or it can be your take profit. But for now, I want to make it to be my stop loss. So just touch the line, then click on the pencil icon and then highlight the value there. You can see the value. That's the value of that particular place I want to keep my stop loss. Then go back to the website and then paste it there as your exit price. So if you paste it there, then that's it, guys. Then the next thing now is the loss size. You don't know the particular size that you use. Then for this particular trade, I want to risk $80. Do you understand? I want to risk $80. Now, what particular side will I use to get that $80? This place we are going to be using trial and error method. Do you understand? So first of all, we'll start with a lower value, a lower loss size like 0.05, and then check out the value of the loss. We have $14 loss, which is not up to 80. Then we have to increase it to 0.1. Click on calculate. We have $28. It's not up to 80. Then we increase it to 0.2. Click on calculate. It's 56, not up to 80. Then but it's getting closer. So now let's increase it now to 0.3. If I click on calculate, it's now 84, which is above. You understand, above $80. So I want to reduce it to 0.28. It's now below. Okay, guys, let me just increase it again to 0.29. It's now above again, but I don't want it to be above $80. So let me go with that 0.28. You understand? With 0.28, we're having 78.9, which is just closer to that $80. So the loss side has to be good for this particular trade. The execution of this trade is 0.28. You understand? So now let's go back to our MetaTrader 5 and then execute this trade with 0.28. You can actually wait for the market to the price for the price to get to that particular place you want to execute. But for now, let me go ahead and execute using that 0.28. It's just many small things to get to that particular place. Then this is the loss size. Go ahead and hit. We are going ahead to hit on that buy button now. Then I'll hit the buy button. Now next thing, now I'm doing this with my demo accounts. Now next, now touch on the execution line, the green line, and then drag your stop loss to the place where you want the exit price to be, the stop loss to be. You see, we have $76 there, like $77 approximately, which is closer to $80. Do you understand? So that's just it. Now let's check out the take profit level. Do you understand? Now check out the take profit level. What you need to do now is just to touch on that place you want your take profit to be. Click on the pencil icon and then highlight the value. If you highlight the value, then copy it. If you copy the value, then you have to go back to your FundedNext official website. Then at that particular point now, you delete the exit price that was your stop loss, and then paste the new value, which is the take profit price. Then if you hit on that calculate, the same lot size, don't hit the lot size please. The same lot size, the value is now 118. So the trade should go for us. We're going to make 118. You understand? So there's no much about this one. The stop loss is what matters most. Touch the green line, which is the execution line. Carry, then take the profit and then drop it at the place where you want it to be. You can see the value there, 120. You understand? Just $2 below. So if we should go down because you didn't enter this trade at that point where the red entry price is, you can see where the 118 is. But there's no issue here. Let us go with the 120. It's still okay. Then at this particular point now, go ahead and hit on that arrow line and modify it to that particular place. As simple as that. This is just how you can know how much you're going to make or lose using FundedNext calculator. Do you understand? So if you're new to FundedNext, the link to sign up with FundedNext is in the description of this particular video. And don't forget to use my coupon code JC Trades so you can get a 120 reward bonus whenever you're making your own withdrawal. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, guys. Bye.